How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your DELTACO gaming controller to your computer. So obviously for some controllers, there's going to be wired connection and the USB dongle connection or the wireless connection. So when this is your first time connecting your Delgado controller, the first thing that you want to do is to actually grab the USB that comes with the actual controller itself, and then you just want to plug it over onto your computer. Now that is the first time because it will actually transfer the necessary firmware, the necessary updates, and the compatibility for the controller itself. After making that first connection, for the other use cases, you could just click on the power button after plugging the USB dongle, and from there it will automatically be connected, or you could just enable the Bluetooth mode, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.